Hi, I'm Carl Ommenson, CTO at Vesper Marine. Today we're going to walk through a collision avoidance situation. This is really going to demonstrate how tightly integrated the functionality of VHF voice, DSC and AIS is in the Cortex system. When the Cortex system recognizes potential for a collision situation, it will alert you.
Collision alert.
Okay, so a collision alert's coming in. Right now I can
Collision
simply
alert.
click the alarm banner and it takes me to that situational screen dedicated for purpose to avoid this target. Right here I've got everything I need to control the full system. I can push to talk, I can change my channel, I can go back to 16 quickly, I can also make a DSC call directly to the target. Because it's a collision situation, we assume that the category of call would be a safety call. The last channel that you use is the channel that we populate. You can go and change that if you wish. Simply tap on the call button to make the call. We show the target's navigational lights here, which is really useful at a quick glance to know that in this situation you're to give way and he's to stand on. We allow for a trial maneuver. This is a convenient role-play situation that gives you an idea of, if you do steer to a certain direction, of how that's going to affect the situation. You can see how the vessel's colour is changing to indicate that he's no longer a collision risk. The vector lines we show on this view are relative to you and how you would see the situation standing on deck. At the bottom of the screen we always show CPA and TCPA. The vector line indicates how that vessel is going to move relative to you standing on deck of the vessel, and we draw a dot at the end of the vector to indicate what the actual or the position of that CPA, and this gives you a nice graphical display of the passing situation, whether or not he's going to pass behind you or in front of you. For more information on Cortex, visit our website vespercortex.com.